Are you an Indian manufacturer or importer who is planning to launch or import EV chargers? Before you plug in, there is a critical step you can't ignore, that is BIS certifications. Without it, your charger won't reach the Indian market. But don't worry, in this video, we will break it down for you. The Bureau of Indian Standards is India's national regulatory body for product safety and quality. For EV chargers, BIS ensures your products meet technical and safety standards mentioned under IS 17017. Today, every EV charger must be tested, certified and registered before it hits the Indian market. To make it short, no BIS, no business. Simple. Indian EV charger certification is governed under IS 17017, which meets the international IES standards. Now the question rises here, who can apply for the certification? You can be the Indian manufacturer or the OEM, which is original equipment manufacturer, and the importer who wants to import the EV chargers into the Indian market. Let's see the procedure involved to get the BIS certification. So the first process will be the documentation. We require some basic legal or factory documents, which includes the premise documents, your KYC documents, your business license, ISO certificate, trademark and brand name. The next step will be your product testing. You need to provide us the samples, so we send those samples to the BIS lab for testing. After preparing the major documents along with your documents, we submit your application to the BIS. Internally, BIS will audit your application. After that, they will assign an audit officer who will come to visit your factory to audit the factory. Meanwhile, we'll get your test report. We submit those test reports to the BIS, and on the basis of those test reports and the audit reports and the documents, BIS will issue the certificate to you. Now you are all ready to mark your product under the BIS standard marking. India in the world is betting big on EVs, and the BIS certificate is your gateway to this huge market. It's not just a certification, it's a mark of trust, safety and quality. Certified products will provide you an edge in government tenders as well as on e-commerce markets. Confused about testing and documentation? Don't worry. Diligence certification helps Indian manufacturer and importer through every step of BIS compliance. You just need to provide us the basic documents and the samples, and everything will be managed by us only. Be it like major document preparation with 100% accuracy, lab coordination, audit assistance and fast-track application. So that you can focus on innovation and the diligence will handle the compliance. Don't let compliance block your entry into the charger market. Visit diligencecertification.com or call now to start your journey. India's EV future is charging ahead. Make sure you are certified to keep up.